I am here. She is tall. We can swim. They like pizza. He runs fast. It's a cat. The sun is hot. I love you. She dances well. He has a car. We play games. It's a red ball. Birds can fly. They read books. It's a big house. She is my friend. He eats fruit. We go to school. They jump high. I have a dog. She plays music. He draws pictures. We watch TV. The flowers bloom. She sleeps well. They help others. I feel cold. She wears a hat. He sings a song. We live here. She is happy. He has a book. We write letters. They climb trees. She talks a lot. He plays outside. We run together. The sky is blue. I have a red ball. Cats say meow. Dogs bark. The sun is hot. Rain makes plants grow. I like ice cream. Birds can fly. Fish live in water. The moon is bright. Flowers smell good. Bees make honey. I can jump. Trees have leaves. Books have words. Stars twinkle at night. Apples are tasty. Cars go fast. Frogs say ribbit. Snow is cold. Elephants are big. Butterflies are colorful. I see a rainbow. Turtles are slow. I hear music. Owls hoot at night. I wear shoes. The wind blows. Monkeys swing on trees. I brush my teeth. Bears hibernate in winter. I can count to 10. Lions roar loudly. The ocean is vast. Penguins waddle. I have a blue shirt. A rainbow has many colors. I feel happy. Giraffes have long necks. I smell flowers. The earth is round. Snakes slither. I taste chocolate. Ants work together. My favorite color is green. A clock tells time. I like to play. The desert is sandy. I see a rainbow. Zebras have stripes. I hear a bell. I can run fast. Dolphins swim gracefully. I taste a sweet apple. The grass is green. I have a yellow pencil. Foxes are clever. My mom cooks dinner. I see a butterfly. Bears have claws. I am a student. She likes ice cream. He has a red car. We play games. I'd like to go home. The cat is black. I love my family. She dances well. We eat lunch. The sun is shining. The TV is broken. I help my mother. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!